The 60s and 70s really was a very active time, particularly with the Black Panthers, really spreading the word about sickle cell disease, taking it on themselves because there wasn't the attention being given to sickle cell disease by the federal government. That the Black Panthers really started those efforts to do community awareness around sickle cell disease. And then even we're reaching an important milestone this year. In 1972, so 50 years ago, President Nixon signed the National Sickle Cell Control Act, really because of a lot of the pressure that the Black Panthers were bringing from a political standpoint, as well as doctors like Dr. Roland Scott, who I just have to shout out, being the founder of the Howard University Center for Sickle Cell Disease. But many physicians at that time were saying we can't continue to ignore sickle cell disease, which it largely had been. And there's a whole, pretty history around that. So testing was very active then. Unfortunately, there was a lot of misinformation as well. Where children were getting tested in schools, and then if they had sickle cell trait, they were being labeled as having a disability. People were losing their jobs because testing was being done. It was really used as a way to perpetuate institutional racism at the time, discrimination, and so forth.